This 2022 Chevrolet Malibu is brought to you by AutoExpress, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Chevrolet is powered by front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, Ecotec i4 inline 4-cylinder engine, and has 33,570 miles. Discover value with this sleek 2022 Chevrolet Malibu. Style, comfort, and performance await you. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.